What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna have kind of an interesting video. So if you guys were curious, this is where I crashed and broke my collarbone. If you follow my Instagram, you know that I destroyed my collarbone about a month ago. It's just on this small, about 35-foot tabletop on my track. It might be 40 now, I don't know. But anyways, I don't know exactly what happened. It pushed me over the side over here. So I hit the jump from over there and just drifted off the side here and went off the edge. My front wheel caught. I'm not exactly sure because I don't see a mark, but anyways, front wheel caught, tossed me over, and this whole track is basically clay. So threw me down pretty hard and just snapped my bone and cracked my shoulder. So that wasn't very fun. But anyways, today gonna have an interesting video for you, so I'll explain that in a second. So if you stay updated on my Instagram, you know that I got a bad piston from Yamaha. It came with a big old dent in it, so that delayed the YZ build and a couple other things, just not really on track. So I'm going to be testing if this old beta engine here that is sitting in a junk trailer is bulletproof. So, you know, you ever get attacked at the track because you roosted some guy and he got pissed off and tried to shoot you? You want to be able to know if you can hide behind your engine. So we're going to be testing that out. So it'll be pretty cool. And I guess let's get right into it. Alright, so we got the engine all set up. We even have the GoPro right here. And so it's time to see if this thing's bulletproof. We're going to start off with a small gun and slowly get bigger. So yeah, let's get to it. Well guys, there's the damage. As you can see, it went right through the engine, but still did not pierce the other side. So if you're getting shot at by a 22, you are safe to hide behind your engine. What's this gun?
6.5 Creedmoor.
Okay, so now we're ready to shoot it. Well, there it is. Perfect hole right in the clutch. Went right through it, but still did not make it through, which is no surprise. Powerful gun, but it's gonna take some serious power to make it through the transmission. So we got that one. He hit it right on the clutch again. As you can see, lots of damage. Totally destroyed the clutch basket in there. I can even see a gear that's totally destroyed. So smoking a lot, but still didn't make it through. Okay, so since this gun seems to be doing most damage, keep taking more shots. You can see we hit right in the middle there that time. But now we're turning the engine around so that we can try out on this side. Alright guys, so now at this side, completely destroyed that ignition cover there, and there's a lot of crushed gears in there, and a stick apparently, so yeah, pretty cool. There's some damage on the other side, but still didn't make it through, so engine is still bulletproof. Alright, here's where you hit it on that one. So, perfect hit. And it went right through, as you can see right there, big old hole coming out. So, definitely not safe if they hit right there. And here is the last gun we're going to be doing. It's a 44 Magnum Smith & Wesson. We're going to be shooting that the engine again. And hopefully this one's going to do the most damage, because smallest gun would be cool to do the most damage. So yeah, let's do it. Got it. Alright, what is this one?
This is a Benelli 12 gauge shotgun.
Well, here's the result of the 12 gauge. Absolutely destroyed the ignition cover here, so that one definitely did the most damage by far, but it didn't make it as deep. But we're gonna try a couple more shots and see what happens.
You gotta do that. Nice.
Alright, well here's the result of the Creedmoor here. Engine caught on fire because of all the oil. So, yeah. Beta engine is no more. Alright guys, here's the result of that Creedmoor. We shot it again. It makes the engine catch on fire every time because the oil is still in there. But yeah, we're gonna try shooting it in the water pump and see what happens. Well, there's the damage on the water pump. As you can see, it blew the cover clean off. Broke it right in half. So, even broke the gears on the inside there. So, super cool. This engine is totally destroyed.
Oh, that hit. Ooh, I see that one.
Alright, so that concludes our video. So now you know your dirt bike engine is bulletproof and you can hide behind it in a firefight. You may catch on fire, but you know what? At least you don't die. And you might die, but yeah.